Yeah. Yes, Shivan.
Okay. So let me give you a brief introduction about myself. So for this session of PHP, I will be your tutor. Okay. So Shrika, where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay. In which class?
I am doing my engineering second year.
Okay, fine. Okay, Shrika, let's just start with our session.
Yeah.
My screen is visible to you?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So do you have any little idea about what is PHP? Like what it does?
No, ma'am, I've joined with another device. Can you let me in?
Yes, okay, okay. Is it fine now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I was asking, do you have any little idea about PHP? Hello, am I audible to you?
Yeah. No, ma'am. Yes, yes. No,
Okay.
ma'am, I have no idea.
Hello. 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 Shrika,
Hello?
are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay. So we are going to start our today's session. In this session, we are going to talk about what is PHP, what is a PHP file, what can PHP do, its installation, and its syntax. Okay. So
Yeah.
I was asking, do you have any little about idea about what is PHP?
It is used for backend
Yeah, very good.
of a web
So
page.
let's just start with an example. Okay. So suppose uh, some guests have come to your home. Okay. And your father told you to, these are the list of items that you have to serve to the guest. Okay. And your mother is out of town. So what you would do? You would go for the nearest shop, right? And give that list to that shopkeeper, that hey shopkeeper, these are the list, would you please give me my order. So the
Yeah.
shopkeeper will process your order, like suppose if you have samosas in it, right? So after some
Yeah.
time the shopkeeper will make that samosa and will give it to you. Okay.
Yes.
So here
Yeah.
you are the backend, है ना? You are the backend.
Yeah.
You are giving a request to the shopkeeper that hey shopkeeper, these are the order. Can you please process it? है ना? And the shopkeeper will, the shopkeeper is backend. Here the shopkeeper is backend. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And whatever the whatever he has put whatever he has put the ingredients into it, you don't care, right? You only care about your samosa, है ना? Whether he
Yeah.
has made that samosa with PHP, whether he has made that samosa with Python. Okay. So PHP, Python, C++, these are the language that is used to communicate with the database, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the basic model in which the whole website work. The client will send the query to the server that, hey server, can you please process it, and the web server in the backend, the web server will process the PHP code, and the PHP code, there is some secret algorithm will run, and the backend and the server will return the client to the response. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So see, this is the client, right?
Yeah.
You have given your query to the web server, है ना? And in the web
Yeah.
server, PHP code will execute, right? And then
Yeah.
suppose if you want to search what is X, okay, you ask the server that, hey web server, what is X? Okay, then then web server will tell PHP that client is requesting what is X. So PHP will go into database and list out all the web pages that has X in it, right? If you want to search Sachin Tendulkar, then web server will search the backend that and will list out all the web pages that has Sachin Tendulkar in it, right?
Yeah.
And the web server will return the response to the client. Okay, so this is the
Yes.
basic model in which the whole website work. Okay.
Okay.
So now PHP is a programming language, right? Is a scripting language.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mhm. So PHP is a scripting language. It is a server-side scripting language. That means it is used by the server, right? It is executed on the server side to communicate with the database.
Yes.
Okay, and it is known as hypertext preprocessor. Now, can you tell me what is PHP file like? See, just like C file, it has C++ code in it, right? Just like Python file, it has Python code in it. So just same, the PHP file will contain PHP code. Okay, but despite of PHP code, there will be HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and the extension of PHP file will be .php. Okay, see, PHP is a server-side scripting language. Okay, it is executed on the server side, and the result is returned to the browser. Like, see, if you search Sachin Tendulkar, then what will you see? You will only see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? The front-end part.
Yeah.
In which all the web pages will be listed out to you, that these are the web pages that has Sachin Tendulkar in it, right? So after executing PHP code on the server side, the result is returned to the browser as a plain HTML. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what can PHP do? PHP is used to communicate with the database, right? It can generate dynamic web pages. Now what that means, dynamic web pages matlab, it will list out all the web pages that has Sachin Tendulkar in it. So it is kind of like dynamic web page, right?
Yes.
Okay, now it can encrypt data, it can create, read, and close file on the server side, and you can use PHP in all major operating system, be it Windows, be it Mac OS, be it Linux. Okay. Now with PHP, you are not limited to output HTML, right? If you search Sachin Tendulkar, then you would see the photo of Sachin Tendulkar, right? Or any video that has Sachin Tendulkar in it. So you can output image, PDF files, or even a flash movie. Okay.
Yes.
So to
Yeah.
work with PHP, we are going to install XAMPP software, right? We will,
Yeah.
we will see later how we are going to install the XAMPP software. Now,
Oh.
you can write PHP code anywhere in the program. Okay. So to separate
Yeah.
HTML code with PHP code, we use this syntax. The script start with this, okay, and then after this there will be the instruction of code, and after that it will end with this. Okay. See, the script will start with this PHP, right? And inside
Yeah.
it there you will write your instruction, and then it will end with this. So this is the basic syntax of PHP scripting, right?
Yes.
Now let's see the first program, that is Hello World. How will you write Hello World? So you will start with this, right?
Yeah.
And then echo. Have you studied C++ or C?
No, only C and Python.
Okay, so in C there is printf. Uh, did you remember that there is printf
Yeah.
that is used to output your data? So
Yes.
here echo is used,
Okay.
and you know that string is always enclosed in a double quote.
Double quotations. Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to output hello world, so you would write echo and then hello world and then close the double quote. Okay, and then end with this. So this is the basic syntax. This is the basic program. Understood?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
If you want to ask anything, please ask.
Okay.
Okay. So next we will okay. So you must be knowing that C is a case sensitive. Now, can you please tell me what is the meaning of case sensitive?
She, like capital letters and
Yes,
the
capital
small letters
letters
are
and
different.
small letters will
Very
have
different.
different meaning, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But here, unlike other programming languages like C, C++, Java, or even Python,
Yeah.
PHP keywords are case sensitive. Means this echo, this echo, this echo, this echo, these all keywords are valid. Okay.
Yeah.
But variables in PHP is a case sensitive. Means if you have created any variable capital V, है ना, and by mistake if you have written V, then capital V and this V, this small v will have different meaning. PHP will treat both as a different variable. Okay. But
Yes.
but all the keywords, all the keyword is not case sensitive. Matlab in a PHP keyword is not a case sensitive. Hope you understood.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Understood me. So
Yeah.
the conclusion is very simple. All the keywords in PHP is valid, right? Is not case sensitive.
Yeah.
But variables in PHP are
Case sensitive.
case sensitive, right? So what is comment in PHP? So
Not
see, a comment is something that is usually ignored by the
non-executable code.
compiler, right? Matlab, this is that part of the code that will not going to execute. है ना?
Yes.
It
Yeah.
what is the need of comment?
Non-executable code. To know to mention what's happening in the code.
Yes, what does this piece of code do, right? It helps
Yeah.
it helps in reminding the developer about the code if it is revisited again, right?
Yeah.
So can you please tell me the comments in C? How would you comment the particular instruction in C?
Slash.
Yes, by slash.
Yeah.
So here in PHP, you can do two types of comment. One is single line comment and another one is multiple line comments, right?
Yeah.
So single line comment you can do with double slash or a hashtag. We use hashtag to comment out the particular instruction in Python.
Yeah.
Okay, and now if you want to comment out a block of multiple line, so how would you do that? You would do just by slash and followed by star, and inside this there will be your instruction, right? And it ends with star followed by slash.
Yes.
Just see, this is your instruction, right? This is your instruction, this is your instruction, this is your instruction. Now if you want to comment out this 4 lines, how would you do that? You would do slash followed by star, right? And at the beginning at the end of that instruction you would do star and then slash. Okay, so this will be your multiple line commenting, and for single line commenting you would do slash or hashtag. Okay, so all your these one line will get comment out.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was the whole basic introduction about PHP.
Yeah.
Now let's see hello. Okay, now see the basic program. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's write a first program. Now, as I have taught you that PHP scripting will start with this left shift operator and then question mark and then PHP. Okay. And here will be, and it end with this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you want to output your name, how would you do that?
Echo in quotes.
And echo in quotes.
Shrika.
Okay. And yes, followed by semicolon. Just like C, after every instruction, you would, insert semicolon.
Yeah.
C, Shrika, right?
Yeah.
So one more thing that I want to tell, there is also, like, if you don't want to use echo, you can use print followed by semicolon. So echo and print will have they are
Same.
They are same actually. You can use echo like this. See, but you can't use print like this. See, syntax error. Have you noticed the difference?
Yes.
What is the difference?
It has multiple.
We can, we can use echo for, to output multiple data, right? Followed by this,
Yes.
but we can't use print for the same, right? It will give syntax error if we, if we use the print for the multiple comment, multiple to output multiple data. Okay, Shrika, if you have any question, please ask.
No, it's clear.
It's clear?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so in next session, we are going to talk about variables, data types, okay, and how to take input from user, what are the various data types. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Shrika.
Which software will we need now?
We will be using XAMPP software.
Okay.
I will tell you in next lecture ki how to install that.
Yes.
Have you joined through your phone or through your laptop?
Laptop.
Laptop. Okay, fine. Fine, Shrika.
Okay.
See you in the next lecture.
Thank you.